Hi everyone, my name's Cassie. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I'm still working on my bathroom. I haven't taken this wood down yet, but I've got enough to do the job. There's 3 packets there that I bought from B&Q that are just under £8 a packet. I've put some extra wood in this corner to hold the tiles up. I haven't bothered doing a mitre because that corner you won't be seen because the bath will be in the way. I've run out of towel adhesive, so I'll have to get some next week. I'm only halfway up this wall because it's a bit lumpty, bit like a riverbed. So that's been slow progress. But what's been good progress is I've actually finished tiling the whole wall, this door wall. So all the way up there, up to the ceiling and above the door. I like these tiles. These are Trenty tiles by B&Q, white with like a greyish marble effect. I think they're really pretty. I think they're about £15 a packet, so I think that's a really good price. The plain grey ones were at £8 something a packet, so this whole wall's going to be done in the grey, and this wall's going to be done in the white marbly ones as well. And this wall is just going to have the tongue and groove. I'll sand down all the lumpty bumpty bits, and I might put a trim along the top there where the gap is after I've filled it, and I'm just going to paint that. So I've decided what colour yet, and I'm going to get a nice little Venetian blind to go on this window. So I'm going to put a little piece of wood up above the window to hang the Venetian blind from. Yeah, so I'm probably going to paint the windowsill and the window frame a colour, and all the wood and woodwork and this wall a colour. I haven't decided yet. I've got a salvage door rather than these horrible plasticky, coaty, cheapy rubbish ones. That was here when we moved in, so that'll be going. I've already got a salvage door, so that'll be going up. That's the last job. As you can see, I've made a right old mess because I've been using my towel cutter electric one. But slowly getting there. Grey ones are okay. Just wanted a contrast really. I bought a mirror second hand, so that'll probably go here. Just to lighten and brighten the room up as well. So let me know if you're doing any DIY to save money. I've got to because I can't afford to go tiling, just not in my budget. But yeah, like I said, I've run out of towel adhesive now, so I'm going to have to get some more. But that's okay, I'll live with that. So if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe, and bye for now.